Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get your own Exodus wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, you should download Exodus from the App Store. Then open the app and you will see this opening screen with a few informations about the app. Receive crypto by scanning or sharing your unique QR code or address. Send the crypto in a few taps by scanning a QR code or pasting an address. And exchange. Instantly swap your crypto with 75 plus other assets securely from your wallet. So yeah, just tap on next. And here you can choose if you already have a wallet or if you are new to Exodus wallet. If you're new, just tap on the get started and it's going to open up instantly your wallet and you can add in your informations later. As you can see, I have 0 Bitcoin, 0 Ethereum, 0 USDT, 0 Ripple and 0 Exodus shares. And from here you can start using it. If you want more information about the app, you can check out my Exodus playlist. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one.